Hi teacher, my name is Fernanda and I'm studying Business Entertainment Management.
And my name is Karla Escamilla, and I study in odontology.
Okay, first I read the text. So nature is a good for you. How do you feel about nature after spending hours in the doors? Do you often feel like going outside for a walk? Or if you work for hours at your desk, do you feel better when you take a break and visit your local park? Most of people think that nature is good for us. It's good for the bodies and good for the brains. However, humans start to spend more time inside and less time outside, for example, and the number of visitors of Canada national parks is going down every year. At the countries such as USA, only 10% of the teenagers spend the time outside every day. Many doctors feel that is a problem in the 21st century, and that is a marketing on the physical healthy horse. As a result, some doctors are studying the connections between the nature and health. One example of this work of Dr. Matilda van den Bosch in the Sweden. The doctor engaged two groups of the people and matched tests. During the tests, our heart rate of the people in the both groups increased after the test. One group of the people sat in 3D virtual reality room with the pictures and sounds of nature. 15 minutes later, their heart rates with the slower and heart rates of the people in another group. The virtual connect with the nature helps these people feel more relaxed. Another good example who the nature is a good for health comes from Canada, Toronto. Research studying living in the cities over the found the people who live in new parks were healthier. Because the studies like this, some countries in the cities want nature to be the parks of the people every day in Dubai. For example, there are plants in the new shopping mall, large gardens, so shoppers can relax outside. With these plants are water in some countries such as Switzerland, forest schools are popular. School children study their subjects of the forest and do lots example outside at South Korea in another good example. It has a forest new cities and around the people visit these forests every year. So the building cities along purple lines, it's the no time to the rebuilding nature. Okay.
And I'm Arthur, and it's Rector. Um, how do you feel about nature? After spending hours indoors, do you often feel like going outside for a walk? Or if you work for hours at your desk, do you feel better when you take a break and visit your local park? And most people think that nature is good for use. It's good for our bodies and good for our brains. However, and humans are spending more time inside and less time outside. For example, the number of visitors to Canada's national park it's going down every year, and in countries such as the US, only 10% 40% of teenagers spend time outside every day. Many doctors feel that this is a problem the 21st century and that it's making our physical healthy worse. And as a result, some doctors are studying the connection between nature and its health. One example of this is mm, and the work of Dr. Matilda van den Bos in Sweden. Then doctor gave to groups of people admit tests. During the test, their heart rate and of people in both groups increased. After this, one group of people sat in a 3D virtual reality room with pictures and sound of nature for 15 minutes. Later, their hair rates were slower than the hair rates of people in the other group. And the virtual contact with nature helped these people feel more relaxed. And another good example of how nature is good for health comes from Canada in Toronto. Rachel studied um, three, one, three, the people in living in cities. Overall, they found that people who lived near parks were healthier. And because of studies like this, some countries and cities want Saturday to be part of people's everyday life. In Dubai, for example, there are plans for a new shopping small with a large garden. So shoppers can relax outside with trees, plants, and water is some countries such of Switzerland. For a school are popular. School children study their subject in the forest and do lots of exercise. And South Korea is another good example. It has new forests near its city and around um, 13 million people visit their forest every year. So, building cities for so long, perfect, it's now time to start rebuilding nature.
Okay. So I don't know. I like the text because it's the new reality. You know that in some uh, example in Mexico City have an experience that you go to our rooms for a 3D for playing some game. You know these rooms?
Um, and repeat in
Okay, the text say that the 3D virtual rooms.
uh-huh. And
Uh,
in
and
the school, no, and 3D ay, error in ¿cómo se dice? En Lief, el de en
mhm,
reality virtual.
yes, it's cool, no?
It's very
I like it. Yes, and I don't know. It's cool that in the cities have this technology. Yeah, it's no technology. And yeah, what do you think
in technology in the school or
for
and
the
the
text?
other world.
I don't know. What do you think for the text?
Um, I think it's very interesting for it's varied in it really cool that every technology and it's every technology is really interesting so because use can it's
Okay, so do you think this activity help for another people? If you go to the nature, but not for a real nature in a 3D virtual room, they have the thematic of nature, help for the people.
ah yeah see it's in natural in reality 3D experience is is relaxing because um normally people is straight um but school or work i- um l- life in this parents in the natural it relaxing from people.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Go for the activity 12. So say writing a verse of questions. Okay, speak. So I am start. Okay.
Mhm.
Who do you usually spend your free time?
um I usually spend time in games or watch anime. It's it's really it's really interesting and I I spend my time it's listening music. Um
Yes, I make the same thing. I spend my free time listening to music or see the movies or see
um
movies. Mhm. So yes. What is your favorite artist? Artist.
um my favorite actors and normally is Japanese in Japanese
Music?
music. Um but our artists it's como
Okay, the Japanese music. Okay, in the Korean music,
mhm,
it's K-pop. So in Japanese,
mm,
what do you say?
um um really not like in music in Korean.
No, but okay, the Korean music, it's
Mhm,
K-pop. Okay,
mhm.
so the Japanese, how do you, what is
Um,
have a name?
um, and name the artist and as ay, es the artist en un momento is Eve. And the
Evil?
artist is Eve. Eve.
Evil.
Sí. A ver.
Okay.
It's this is.
Evie. Okay. Cool.
It's mm, it's very good in music.
I listening. Okay, o sea, in this moment,
And you and artists like
I don't have my favorite, but it's not the best for me. But it's one of my top.
mhm,
It's Masters of Men, like indie.
is the
The
music
gender,
indie. The
the
music
gender,
indie?
it's yes,
Mm.
indie, and the band, the name of the band is Masters of Men.
Monster of Men.
Yes.
Ah,
Listen, when you have a time, listen.
mhm,
Okay. And yes, and you know all the people. Okay, one of my other so favorite is the regional mexicano. I don't say this in English, but this is my top
mhm,
in my music. And then is indie, and then is uh,
mhm,
all the music.
mm,
Yes.
mm, really, I don't know him. Um, I
Okay.
don't. I don't know. I don't know.
This
Listen music.
it's cool music.
Mm.
Okay. Uh,
And the other question, no. And um, do you often read novel?
no, I don't read. But in the past
Uh-huh.
I read the novel that the Blue Jeans that is Good Morning Princess. I don't know in English, but in Spanish it's Buenos Días Princesa. So in English is Good Morning Princess, Princess Good Morning, something like this. And for this book is from Blue Jeans, and it's
Mm,
and you have do you read of the novels?
and yes, and I read novels. Um, it's novels. And light novel. It's in Spanish is en novelas ligeras,
Okay.
and I read in it's sap. Yeah, it's it's ito ka, en Wattpad.
Okay. All the people. Oh, okay. Not all the people, but many of people use Wattpad. Wattpad. Uh-huh.
en
Okay. Uh,
en Wattpad, and have have much no light novel in Sterenstein.
mhm.
Um, but but I read novels is it it's okay. And so I like in the culture Japanese um And then and totally like and and totally read and music and interesting and themes. It's all Japanese. It's it's
Everything for
it
you.
really it's
You,
really my
your top.
aha.
I know that you say, but okay, I know in Spanish, okay, but I understand. So, are you playing many sports these days?
And and three question.
One, letter B.
Okay.
Are you playing many sports these days?
Are you what?
Are you playing many sports these days?
Ah, ah, it's mm, it's in, ah,
Okay, I'm starting. For example, I make yoga. Okay, I don't know if the yoga it's a sport, but in these days I make yoga and that's it. And
okay.
exercise, but like similar like CrossFit, you
Mhm.
know, and that's it. And you?
Mm, mm, not really. It's mm, no, no.
You don't like the exercise?
Mm?
You don't like make exercise?
No, no. Um, I recently it's go to gym.
Ah, okay, okay. Uh-huh.
Yeah, I- it's like exercise and every day is gym. It's really recomforting,
Mm-hmm.
but I must and
You mean
it's healthy, healthy.
healthy? Mm-hmm.
Yes. Um.
Okay, good. So, are you read any good books at the moment?
Mm, it's not. Mm,
No. I,
it's 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 moment and occupates my
your time.
school and in school occupied my it's school all spends my time.
Mhm.
It's not read novels.
Okay, I don't have in this moment a good book because I don't read in this moment. So yes. Okay. Where do you usually go on vacations? But yes, vacations.
Mm, where? Mm, mm,
Okay.
normally, vacation is the beach, but my parents not, and o sea, and my parents not like and don't like vacation. Um, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Where are you usually going? Okay. Usually my vacations I go to Guadalajara
Mhm.
or Monterrey. That's it. This is okay. Where are plan to go this year? You have a plan to go to this year?
Mm, and and where are playing your and B questions?
Yes, three letter B.
Okay, okay. Um,
Okay, example. That's not an example. I
ah,
go,
sí.
but I'm a star. I go to Guadalajara to see my boyfriend, and I go to Cancun, and I go to ¿cómo se llama? Oh, I go to ah Querétaro, and that's it.
Oh.
This is the plan to go this year.
Um, I can to tr- to travel in in Cancun.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, it's my plane. It's it's his. Mm, mm,
Yes.
mhm,
Okay. Do you speak any other language? Yes. The
yes.
English, yeah. And you have another?
Yes. It's um mm, mm, man this and yes and not and yes or no yes and not and because it's understand in Japanese but not not speak
Okay. You understand the Japanese, but you don't speak Japanese.
exactly.
Okay. Okay. Vale. Okay. Okay. It's good. So okay. I speak. mm, a little English and I understand French, but I don't speak French.
Mhm.
And okay, did you learn any other languages in this
Mm,
one? Okay, you say Japanese, no?
in Japanese and
And another?
other not and it's only Japanese.
Okay. Yes, it's the same for me. Okay, not Japanese, but French.
And
And
you speak other language
another language? That
uh,
French?
and French only. And
Okay, repeat your question.
uh, and you you s- you speak other language.
Okay. My language is Spanish, so I English and I understand French, but I don't speak French.
Mm,
Okay, I have I know I speak
mhm,
uh, basic French, but no, um, but I don't have C1 in French. You know.
mhm. Oh, oh, yeah.
Oh, what is your question?
And
I
it's
understand.
more formally. It's can you speak another language? And
Otra vez,
it's
uh,
right
uh,
in chat. A ver. Um, can you speak other?
Can you speak another language? That in English, another?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, no,
And no,
I didn't speak another language. You
it's
you speak another language? Can you speak another language? Ah, okay, I understand your question. If I like to speak another language, that
ajá.
okay. Okay. Yes. Korean. It's I don't know what to say. The language in Korea, but Koreano. Mhm. You know,
I like
I
uh,
like to speak Korean. Korean.
uh,
Yes. You?
um no. En Korean, o sea, in Korean language it's not speak, and um it's really speak, but um war 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 no, and it's ah it's in Korean drama.
Yes. Yes. I know that you say yes.
Uh-huh. It's um and some war words. See, it's also it's not speak and standard and some words. Yeah.
Eh?
A ver,
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. Great.
and it's right, and I don't speak, but un
And you don't speak? Okay. But okay, you don't speak, but you understand her words
and
in the yes, in the dramas.
ajá,
Okay. Okay. You and
yeah,
me
right.
understand in this moment.
Mhm.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
It's,
Oh,
yeah, it's
that's it. Okay. So goodbye.
right.